Hi, I'm Evan Rust, and this is my entry for the China-US Young Maker Competition. This is the open source pulse oximeter device. It is able to read someone's blood oxygen level and also their pulse. So it uses a Maxim integrated 30102 evaluation kit, which is able to shine an infrared light through the finger and have it reflect off to measure pulse and oxygen. It has a DFRobot 128 by 64 pixel display on the top, and that gives a readout for both measurements. And the brain of it is an Arduino Nano. So to use the device, a person sticks their finger into here, which goes on top of the sensor, and then a rubber band is placed around it, and that is able to keep the finger in place. So it's able to be held onto there, and then measurements can be taken. It costs around $20 to build in its current state, but could get down to about $7. Power comes in through the mini USB port on the front, and then finger goes on initially, like this, where it calibrates, and then after a while it comes up and starts measuring. So as you can see, if it's an invalid measurement, then it comes up as invalid. Otherwise, it'll show the pulse and the blood oxygen saturation. So currently it works decently well, but I do plan to make it more accurate and calibrate better.